Hello. Right. Welcome to the new series of Series 6, Episode 1 of an Assembly, because we're doing this. What vegetable can work as a sports announcer? A commentator.
I'll do new ones.
Sorry.
That's right.
How do you make an artichoke? Artichoke. You can strangle it. Who the hell you think you're talking to?
Who says that?
Mum?
You have to say what you're doing.
Who the hell you think you're talking to?
Oh, that's an impression.
Impression
isn't
of
it?
Mum? Yeah. It's a shame.
Very angry, aren't
And Airy Fairy?
Because what was Shane doing? Because you're making me look bad.
Yeah.
What have you been doing?
Hitting the
Been rude, didn't he? Been rude.
hit it for doing swearing.
Oh.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
I wonder where he gets it.
I know. Why should you never tell a taco a secret? Because they tend to spill the beans.
More impressions.
Oh, you have to say who you're doing before you do it.
Renee, come and say bye to Nan and Granddad.
Yes, Mum.
This is Dad's croaky voice. It's time to do the how we use. Granny Steve, Jeff French, Shane, Tyler, Dave, Jack, and Nick and Riley. All of you boys, how are you doing?
Very
We're all
well.
good, Lenny. Thank you.
How are you?
Good. The boys, just the boys, you deserve a clap, boys.
What do the girls deserve?
Not a lot.
Not a lot. Girls, how are you?
Good,
Good,
thank you.
thank you. Thanks for asking. Do we get a cheer?
Yes.
Hooray!
Mum, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you, Lenny. How are you?
Good.
Who does that?
Mum,
He gets me to do it.
Hey?
He gets me to do it.
we got a certificate for Mum for doing this.
Because he likes,
Let's see it, Emma.
because he likes
Let's
touching my
see
cheeks.
Let's see it.
Well done. You did everything great. You are welcome. A certificate for Shane for
We're not
doing.
getting a lot of certificates and getting a fair ball, isn't it?
This is a certificate for Shane for not being good.
Oh,
He shouldn't get a certificate for that. You should take them off him.
Who the hell you think you're talking to? What is wrong with you?
impression.
With the teeth
Yeah,
as
he
well,
speaks to
isn't it?
British people.
Yes, it is.
Like airy fairy.
Excuse me.
That's Shane doing hoovering.
And hits the light.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
then
Yeah.
Oh, dear.
Oh, really?
Everyone knows what Shane's up to.
Well, that's it, everyone. That's it, everyone. We'll be back in episode 2, and good night.
Good night, Lenny.